Hey everybody, my name is Brielle Anye, aka Mrs. Brielle, and today I'm going to be showing you the most popular winter picks chosen by you, the customer, with Fashion Nova Curve. Alrighty, so let's get started. So right now I'm wearing the Netflix and Chill set in khaki, but this outfit does come in heather gray, olive, and pink, and this is a size 1X. And I will say that with this outfit, it's super cute for loungewear, but you totally can wear this going out, whether it's with your friends. It is super breathable. It's made with cotton and it's very stretchy, so you don't have to worry about having a struggle getting it over your hips. I know I have that with other brands, but with Fashion Nova, they make sure to include that it's super stretchy for the thick and curvy girl, so you have nothing to worry about. What do you think about it? Is it cute? Yeah. All right, moving on to the next dress. I'm wearing the Jacqueline off-shoulder mini dress in the color oatmeal because, baby, I am not a snack, I am a meal. But we also have colors black, light blue, light pink, and yellow. In this dress, I am wearing a size 1X. It's very stretchy and it fits my body perfectly. So I know you guys know that this is the Kylie Jenner dress. I guess we should call it that because everyone has been obsessed with this dress and she has worn it. I will say that it is breathable and it's very soft, and you can wear this either in the house or going out with your girls. This is an everyday dress and very breathable, so you shouldn't have any problems with switching from work to going out. This is a ribbed dress with a vertical knit design and buttons going up and down the middle to elongate your look and make you feel fabulous. This dress is made from cotton, spandex, and rayon. Very, very stretchy, so you don't have to worry about getting it over the hips. I know that's always an issue, but girl, trust me, Fashion Nova has you. Now you can wear this dress with a pair of heels, and this heel right here is called the glass slipper. You can see why it is nude and it has the clear heel, which is super bomb. But if you want to just like be super casual, you can always put a sneaker, and don't be afraid to add a pop of color as well so you're not so boring all of the time. Spice it up, girl. Okay, so actually I think I want to put on the nude heel because it's just super cute. I'm really feeling it. All right, so tell me what you guys think about this look. Me personally, I feel like I will wear this going out with my friends. Not something super, I don't know, jazzed up like going out, but probably if we're going out to lunch or something like that. Where would you wear this? Next, I am wearing the Love Like This bodysuit in tan in the size 2X, and I'm also wearing these canopy jeans in black in a size 2X. These canopy jeans do come in 4 other colors, and the Love Like This bodysuit does come in tan, which I'm wearing, and the black. So the bodysuit is super stretchy. It's made from polyester and spandex, and I like the color of it and the feel. It's very, very soft. Now the canopy jeans are very stretchy, and if you need a little proof, look at this. I can completely put my hand in it and around. It's easy to pull up, so you don't have to worry about any type of, I don't know how to describe this, but do you guys know what I'm talking about when you put on a pair of jeans and in the back it's that big gap? Well, with these, because they're so stretchy, they kind of mold and form to your curves. I know, life-changing. All right, so this outfit I actually would wear to a casting because I am a model and they do like us to be super plain but still cute and sexy at the same time. But you guys can totally wear this wherever you feel. I mean, it's super cute, especially paired with the heels, so you can have this, you can dress it up or dress it down. This bodysuit is an essential piece to keep in your closet. You can wear it with just about anything. But if you do want to dress it up, you can totally pair it with this super cute faux fur jacket. I don't know if you guys see this right here, but the detail of the jacket is amazing. You can literally look so fly going out in this jacket. This is the Fernanda fur coat in the color natural, but we also have burgundy and pink, and I'm wearing a size 3X. And I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I instantly felt super bougie once I put this coat on. I don't know if you guys know, but I think I just channeled my inner Beyonce. You can totally wear this bodysuit with just about anything, but if you want to spice it up, you can totally add this super cute leopard print bodysuit. So it looks super cute with this, or if you want to, you can always switch it up with a different color. We have the burgundy one as well. It's totally up to you. This is one of those looks where you can literally wear whatever you want and still feel fabulous. The key is to be confident. All right, so I'm wearing the Feline Me bodysuit in the size 2X, and I don't know about y'all, but did I not just spice up this outfit with the canopy jeans? It's so cute. what? If you really want to make this look super dramatic, you can always pair it with another faux fur coat. And I'm choosing burgundy because I want a pop of color. We already have the print, so why not add a bit of color? I don't know, just to make it look extra. What do you guys think of this look? Would you say you prefer the cheetah print or would you prefer the tan look? Comment below. We want to hear your thoughts. All right, up next is the Bel Air Babe dress in purple. I'm wearing a 1X and it does come in 3 other colors, but my favorite is the royal blue. This is a super fuzzy stretch made from a nylon stretchy fabric, so it's really soft and you can still play around with it. It's very playful and sexy, and what I like about it is that it gives me total like Clueless vibes, so 1999, 2000, that early like 2000 feels. I'm all over it. So this dress, I decided to go with the nude heels, and I feel like this I would wear going out just because it makes me feel super cute but still sexy, and you can totally dance around in this dress without any problem. So I'm going out in this dress. Now, what I love about this dress is that it's not super short, but then it can still play off as a mini as well. I'm not a big fan of the borderline booty dresses, so I prefer something that has a little bit more coverage, especially when I'm going out and you know, I want to like twerk something, I want to dance a little. So this is like the perfect mini dress. For this look, I am wearing the Little White Lies top in the color Ivory, size 1X, and these bottoms are called the Victoria high-waisted dress pant in the color black, size 2X. Now there are 8 colors available for the top and 10 colors available for the bottoms, so literally every occasion, every season, we got you covered. All right, so we're just gonna hop into the details, starting with this top. Now this top comes with a super long tie, and it is a wraparound tie, and you can wrap it around as many times as you like. I don't know about you guys, but I like to look super snatched. If you head over to my Instagram, you can totally see that that's my go-to look. So you can wrap it around tighter if you feel like you wanna go for a more snatched look. This top is super comfortable and very airy. And if you want to, you can totally pair this with a pair of jeans if you're looking for something a little more casual. But if you want business casual or something for work, then I would just keep it like this with the dress pant. With these pair of pants, they're super flattering, they hug your curves, and it's actually a very thick material. They're also super stretchy. They're not super, what is it, like high waters? They're not super short, but they're also not super long. I feel like it's the perfect cut. All right, for this look, I would totally wear this for a 9 to 5, a business meeting, or you can wear this for a networking mixer. It's totally up to you. If you want to dress it down, you can add a pair of jeans, or if you're going out, you can always add a super cute mini skirt. Now, I know Fashion Nova is known for their sexier clothes, but they do have a variety of options. So if you're a working girl, if you like to go to church, they have a ton of options for you. So don't feel like all they have is just a super cute going out. Girl, they got looks like this. All right, moving on to the next look. This look is called the Be Alright Biker Short Set, and I'm wearing the color teal in the size 2X. It's super stretchy as well. My favorite part about this top is the mock neck detail. It's really cute, and I feel like it adds a bit of flair to the look. I don't know what you guys think. Now, my personal preference when wearing a biker short set is to pair them with sneakers, but it's totally up to you. You don't have to wear sneakers with it. You can always wear a pair of heels or a pair of sandals, whatever look you're going for. It's your prerogative, girl. Now, I will say that this is a thicker material, but honestly, that's good. When you're wearing sets like this and it's super stretchy and thin, I don't know if you guys noticed, but when you go outside in the sun, and literally all of your glory is showing. So I prefer the thicker materials where you can go outside and be comfortable and not have to worry about someone seeing your butt crack. But all right, so if you want to spice this look up, I feel like that's the word of the day, spice it up. But if you want to, you can always add a leather jacket to it. And Fashion Nova actually has this super cute faux leather. It's vegan as well. It's called the Aroxy vegan leather jacket. Now with the Aroxy vegan leather jacket, it's a size 3X. I would totally wear this out with my girls. So maybe to the movies or going out to eat, any type of place where I can be seen in this jacket because it is bomb. So what I love about this jacket is that it has a very spacious armhole. And I know it doesn't seem like a big deal, but when you're a curvy girl and you need to move around, it's important to have a jacket that has a bit of space to it, especially if you live in colder climates and you need to, like, you know, layer up. So it's a good fit. All right, so let's move on to the next look. I am wearing the Upper East Side coat, the Hopelessly Romantic teddy, and the classic high waist jean. So the jacket I have in a size 3X just because I want it to be super loose, you know, like that cool New York vibes where you have everything that's super baggy and just sexy. Now the super sexy teddy is in a 2X and the jeans are in a 2X as well. What do you think? Now the jacket, I love how structured it is, and I also love that it has an oversized feel. It comes a little past my knee, so it's not too short, but it's also not too long. And I really like the color of it and the feel. It's very soft, guys. I wish I could like feed this into the camera so you guys can touch it and see how soft it is, but it's really nice. Moving on to my favorite part of the outfit. I'm a big fan of wearing lingerie during the day. And what I like about this teddy is that it has feather-like material at the top, so it's kind of like you have something that's just like tickling you a bit. I think it's super cute and sexy. It's very body positive. Do not feel like you can't wear things like this just because you're a curvy girl. You can wear whatever you want. I feel like this just makes me feel fabulous, sexy, and just free. Moving on to these jeans, I definitely believe that this wash is a staple piece to have in your closet just because it goes with just about everything, and having that really nice dark wash is perfect for winter and fall. And what I like is how stretchy they are. Like, these hug the curves. They make my butt look so good. I wish I could show you guys, but I think that's a bit too much. The jacket comes in 2 other colors. Right now I'm wearing black, but it also comes in camel and red. Now for the teddy, it comes in a variety of colors. So I'm wearing black, but if I wasn't wearing black, I would probably wear white because that's usually my go-to for a lingerie look in the day. For the jeans, they come in 3 other colors, and that's light, medium, dark, but I'm wearing the dark ones, and it also comes in black. A lot of variety, girl. All right, so for this outfit, I would totally wear this with a night out with bae. I think it's super sexy and classy at the same time. It reveals a little, but not too much. Definitely a bae night. All right, we are down to the wire with the last look. Right now, I am wearing the Pretty Hurts dress in Hunter, but it also comes in burgundy. It's super soft and cute, and I'm wearing a 1X. This dress is very stretchy and it's made from spandex. It definitely hugs your curves, it's flattering. And what I love about it is the daring split. I don't know about you girls, but I love me a thigh-high split, okay, auntie? This dress is off the shoulder, and I really love the exaggerated keyhole design. So it kind of provides like a peekaboo sexy, not too daring, but super cute. I feel like it just adds so much sex appeal to a look. Like, this look is super sexy, but it's also sophisticated as well. So you can pretty much do what you want with it. Now, I would totally wear this look if I was going out to something more formal. So a gala, or if I'm going to a Christmas party, a New Year's Eve party, this is definitely the look. All right, ladies, there you have it. These are your top picks for the winter. Please leave a comment on your favorite look. We would love to hear. Thank you so much for watching this video. It was an honor to model for Fashion Nova Curve. If you want to shop these looks, make sure you head over to fashionnova.com. Make sure you follow at Fashion Nova Curve on Instagram to keep up with all updates on our daily new arrivals. If you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe below and you hit that notification bell. Bye!